Ayan, binigyan ako ng sobrang laki ng upo. Ayan. Ayan, kasi laki ng ano. Ayan. Grabe, ang laki guys, oh. Oh. Hello guys, magandang umaga. So andito kami ngayon. Pumasok kami sa farm. Katabi ng aming accommodation. So kasama ko si Ali, aming security supervisor. Hey, Ali.
Hello, Alibaba. Alibaba
So,
big.
we come inside in the yard. In the
Name
farm.
Arabi Mazra.
Mazra. Mazra, Mazra.
Mazra.
Mazra, word, good word, Mazra.
Yeah, Mazra food.
So that was our accommodation, other side. So we coming here, I don't know, maybe going jail tomorrow. Okay, let's go guys. Sobrang laki ng ano, lemon, too much big. Oh, too much big lemon. Laki. Too much kabir lemon, see. La. La. Too much kabir, ha? Too much kabir lemon, see. Alibaba, oh. See? Guys, too much big, oh.
Bakshish.
Mabi pa din, muskila.
لا ما في مشكلة.
Ay, muskila? Too much. Kabir lemon to. Guys, ang laki guys. Too much kabir. So, Ali alatol take kasi. Ito pa guys, oh, grabe, ang dami guys, ang daming bunga. Ayan guys, si Ali kumuha ng marami guys. Ayan. Kumuha ng marami guys si Ali, ayan. Yan, kamatayan na lang guys. Too much, ha? Aywa. Yan. Ayan, Alibaba. Ayan. See? Alibaba Ali. Yeah guys. May nadaanan naman kami na orange. Hila. This one good orange. Yan, may nakuha siyang orange guys. Yan, oh. Too much. Ang dami pala dito sa loob ng ano, ng farm nila. See, that's why Ali, too much Alibaba. Another one there, downside. Too much, huh? Too much Ali. Here.
Alibaba. Sayed. Sayed.
What's this?
Sayed. هذا مدير.
Mother?
يا أبن.
Mother one. This one owner? Me put here, huh? Me put here.
Sayed.
Company? Here?
Yeah, mango there.
Yeah, this one mango guys. Ayan. Ang dami pala. Ay, what too much good here, huh? Maybe he's looking there now.
too much. ما في.
ما في cleaning, huh?
Yeah, cleaning يجي 100.
Aywa. Let's cover this farm. That's why see me go sawa-sawa Ali. This one bring this one. Give. Okay. Too much big this one. Too much this one. Guys, ayan po guys, oh. So guys, galing kami doon. Ayan, binigyan ako ng sobrang laki ng upo. Ayan. Kasi laki ng ano. Grabe, ang laki guys, oh. Oh. Kita mo, sobrang laki. Yan, galing yan doon. Binigay sa akin. Ngayon, punta kami doon guys. Titingnan namin kung may melon doon guys. Let's go. Sumuwi na kami kasi wala kami nakitang melon. Yeah, out there.
Go ahead.
Okay, let's go. So, ayan po guys. Ang laki ng upo. Ayan. Sobrang laki ng upo guys. Ayan. Ito yung binigay doon sa farm. Ito yung limonsito, kalamansi. Sobrang laki ng kalamansi nila. Too much big kalamansi. Ito po, kalamansi po to. Sobrang laki ng kalamansi. How much big, ha? Kalamansi?
Yeah, too much big.
This one?
What this name? This
I do not
Philippines.
know.
This longest. What this name?
Orange.
Orange.
Yeah,
Orange.
ito orange to, maliit lang siya guys.
This one. This
Sandali
one.
lang,
This
guys,
one.
parang
This one.
sandali. Ayan, okay, malinis na. This one, Oppo. Philippines called Oppo.
Oppo.
Yeah.
Oppo.
Oppo.
Okay. Oppo.
Oppo. Oppo.
Oppo. Oppo.
Okay. So yan po yung binigay sa amin guys doon sa farm na aming binisita. Too much big.
Oppo.
Okay, salamat. Umuwi na po ako guys dahil si Ali nandun pa yung security supervisor doon sa farm. Thank you very much. Salamat sa panonood. God bless. Bye bye.